Hello, this is Chaudhry Mahmood Anwar and welcome back to my YouTube research education channel. In this lecture, I will guide you how to conduct the values coding in qualitative research analysis. What is values coding? Always remember that values coding belongs to first cycle coding method. Values coding records values, attitudes and beliefs of the participants of your qualitative research project. Values are participants' judgment about what is important. Attitudes are the way participants think and feel about something. And beliefs are participants accept that something is true. And you need to capture all these three things in value coding. You can use inductive or deductive, both reasoning methods, in values coding. In inductive methods, codes are derived from the data, whereas in deductive method, codes are derived a priori. In values coding, you can use both amic or attic perspectives. Always remember that amic is participant's perspective, whereas attic is researcher's perspective. When to use values coding? When you are interested to explore cultural values, when you want to know participants' values, attitudes, and beliefs, when you want to dig out human experiences. To capture values in values coding, focus on the statement starting from I feel, I want, I think, I love, I need, it's important that, I believe that, I am sure that, and similar sentence structures. This is an excerpt from a qualitative interview. I will tell you how to code your excerpt using the values coding. You can read this excerpt here. I think one-to-one question or maybe brainstorming in a group could be really helpful for the students to interact with teacher. In this statement, the participant thinks about the interaction with the teacher and students. So the values code is interactive sessions. Teacher lost temper once, disrespectful remarks many times. Several lecturers, like younger ones, they like to use the F word for some reason. I believe it's okay for him to get angry, but still use of F word is not good. So I coded this belief of the participant as condemning unprofessional language. I am not really surprised by the results you get, because basically this is what we are talking about amongst undergraduates alongside with foundation students. In terms of trusting the university, there are lots of doubts. So I coded this statement as distrust in university. So from this excerpt, we have now three values codes. One is interactive sessions. Number 2, condemning unprofessional language. And number 3, distrust in university. This is how you will conduct values coding in your qualitative research project, and I really believe that you find this lecture helpful and easy to understand. Thank you very much for joining me today.
Are you tired of rejection of your academic scholarship? Submit your research to International Journal of Management, Economics and Social Sciences. With us, you will experience a reputable publishing platform that will guarantee high-quality peer review. Our unique mentorship program enables you to develop your research to increase the chances of publication. Our editors are eminent researchers who will provide the much-needed impetus for your academic works. Visit www.ijmess.com and get your work published.